Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Printful in 2026. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand tools, so let's connect it to Wix just by following some few simple steps. So let's start by the first step, which is to create a Printful account. You're going to go to printful.com, as you can see. Once you open the website, you're going to make sure you sign in or sign up if you haven't signed in already. Once you create an account there, you're gonna add Printful app. You're gonna open the Wix app markets. You're just gonna go to Wix, and in the left sidebar, you're gonna click on apps. Then you're gonna click on app markets, and in the search bar, you're gonna search for Printful. Now, once you find it, we're gonna click on it. As you can see here, this is Printful Print on Demand. We're gonna click on this option right here, and you're gonna have to install the Wix store to be able to access or to add this application to the store. You're gonna go to the Wix store if you haven't already. Then you're gonna add two sites, as you can see here. Make sure to add the Wix store, and then you're gonna add the Printful. You're gonna click on Get Started from Dashboard here, and then you're gonna go back and then install the Printful. You can add it to your site and then connect your Wix store. You can log into Printful, then choose Wix as your platform and allow the permissions. And after that, you can create products. You can choose products, upload designs, set pricing, and then you can publish by syncing the product to Wix and publishing it to your website. And make sure to enable tax and shipment and check product variants and also check the checkout before ads. And your Wix store is now connected to Printful. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions on this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.